Sa kasalukuyan, kamusta kayo Martians? Welcome back to the 365. So today we're gonna be putting a little bit of effort sa paggawa ng vlog na to kasi it's been kind of medyo naging pabaya ako sa vlog itong mga nakaraang araw. Naging pabaya ako to the point na hindi naman kasi natin pwedeng masabing super pabaya kasi right now I have projects currently undergoing na tinatapos ko pa na kailangan kong matapos kailangan na siya matapos lahat today. So, which is mga ilang araw yun ang ginagawa ko. Kaya yung vlog ko nasisimulan ko na ng tanghali, ng hapon. Pero rest assured na once na matapos ko ulit yung mga projects ko, syempre medyo focus na talaga tayo sa daily vlog. Kung dati super duper OA kong mag-vlog. Pag sinabi kong OA, as in cinematic akong mag-vlog. Lagi ako may biro, lagi ako may entry. Pero simula kasi nung, alam mo yun, na-influencean na ako ng mga vloggers talaga na sa YouTube. Nag-iba yung perception ko about putting too much effort in your content. Pagdating sa vlogging, yung perfectionist side ko, sa trabaho side ko, hindi nangingialam. Kumaga as is. Whatever happens, whatever angle, whatever the effort you put in, as long as you become present in every single way. Pero kasi, there will be days talaga, na yung vlog is magiging raw, or minsan magiging cinematic, minsan magiging mas ma-effort, minsan, egol talaga, kung egol. Alam mo yun, yung mapapabayaan mo talaga siya na raw, na may music, dahil super duper you just want to be exactly present at the exact day. No matter the cost, no matter the instance, and no matter how you deliver it as long as present ka. It doesn't have to be perfect every day because what I'm trying to preserve right now, I'm trying to preserve the fact na baka ma-burn out ako kapag nagput ako ng too much effort into thinking what has to be perfect, what has to be done, what has to be the angle, anong magiging concept ko. Iniiwasan kong ma-burn out. I'm just trying to live this vlog every single day. This vlog has to live. Hindi dapat siya mawala dahil sa burnout or dahil meron ako na-encounter na problem. This vlog has to survive for 365 days. Kaya ito, ayan. Tignan mo kung anong bigay ng Sony. Sombrero. No, Dad, you have a lot of caps already.
Para sa daddy talaga eh. Mahal talaga yung daddy eh. T-shirt, not for sale. O, 2XL. Talaga yung pinili mo 2XL para kay daddy talaga eh.
No, man.
Hindi naman eh. O, hindi kasi sa'yo to kasi 2XL. O, pang daddy talaga eh. Tang daddy oh.
Ay, ang ganda. Sony Creator. Nakalagay sa likod.
Kasi magmumukhang malaki ka magmumukha kang daddy kapag sinuot mo to.
Sony Creator.
Tang daddy talaga to eh. O, kasi ang ganda ng daddy to eh.
Sony Creator.
Kasi creator pa ako. Daddy. Ang daddy talaga to. Double XL.
Sige. Kasi may t-shirt ka pa.
Oo.
Sony crop top.
Hindi bago na eh.
Sony crop top.
Marco Mars. Sa kasalukuyan. Welcome back.
365 crop top version. So honestly right now I'm actually thinking about finishing. Well, after nung unboxing ng tatay ko na yun, I think we're almost nearly done with what we are currently editing. And honestly tempted to eat it na. Kasi just have breakfast and everything. So we need is a little boost. What do we have here is chocolate pistachio dream bar. Amazing. And after all the communication yesterday with a lot of vloggers, today my social battery is basically dead. But ganun talaga kapag content creator ka. Tell me, naka-tape na naman to. Yes! Oh, yeah. That's nice. That is nice. Yep. That is toasty, tasty, and pistachio-y. Kung di nyo pa ito natatry sa Starbucks, solid to. Actually, ngayon lang naman to kasi, may in-edit ako and stuff, so very nice. Very, very nice. Tsaka yung cold brew natin, hindi pa natin ubos kagabi pa yan. So guys, meron tayong nakuha package. Hindi ko alam kung galing kanino. Pero, i-unbox natin to in a little bit. I think, so we really gotta finish everything. Edits, vlogs. Well, tapos na yung vlog, yung mga edits na lang. We just need to finish 3 more or 2 more. And we're basically gonna move on with this one. Ito yung magiging main focus natin, yung unboxing siguro nito. But I think I already know what this is for. I got it for free. But let's see. Yeah. Naputol yung pagka-cinematic ng vlog ko nung may dumating na package. So, ayun. Tapusin ko muna yung mga edits. So yun guys, hapon na po. Wala pa akong ligo, wala pa akong kain. I am nearly almost done. Almost done. Dalawang output na lang and I am as free as a bird. Whew. Minsan kailangan mo talagang mag-straight grind edit. As in yung no distractions, shut down everything. Sometimes you just have to do it. Sometimes. And I will say that, siguro for the past 22 episodes, there have been vlogs where I'm struggling. There have been vlogs where I'm struggling to actually balance my work and daily vlogging. So habang nagre-render ng mabilis, ayun, nagdadaldal ako sa inyo. Because I finally had the time. Finally, I had the time to mercilessly, laser focus editing ang ginawa ko, guys, Martians. So, hopefully, tomorrow is gonna be back to our regular programming. And especially on my dead hours, wala ko ibang ginagawa kundi mag-book ng clients, entertain clients, ask them what they need, and whatnot. Sana in the future, magkaroon ako ng someone who can talk to all my clients to just continue booking them and then magkaroon tayo ng, ng editor ng vlogs or editor din ng mga projects kung sakali. Minsan kasi hindi ko pwede basta-basta ipasa yung vlogs, hindi ko rin basta-basta pwede ipasa yung trabaho kasi nga, syempre, quality of work. Hindi naman same lahat ng editors unless mag-breed ako ng isang editor na palalakihin na talagang ino-nurture ko ng kung ano man yung skill na meron ako ipapasa ko sa kanya, and he's supposed to be able to adapt as fast as he can. But I don't know. May mga nag-offer naman, pero hindi ko kasi, na-realize ko hindi ko pa rin afford magbayad. I mean, if I had the money, of course, I would like to pay the editor properly. I don't wanna pay for free or even cheap. Konti na lang. Actually, tapos na pala mag-render. So, isa na lang. Reels na lang. Gawin na natin yung reels. We're nearly there. So, time slap. Actually guys, so alam niyo kahapon, natutuwa ako kasi yun na nga iyari kahapon sobrang lupit dahil ang dami kong nakausap ng mga content creator, ng mga Sony shooters din. Talagang mas ang saya kasi alam mo yun, nag-form kami ng bond over a lot of questions dahil isa sa mga tropa natin matanong si Roldan. Tropa po natin si Roldan, si Dan Boxing PH, si Nico Bulante, and the rest of the people na nakasama ko sa isang round table. They were great. And especially yung una nating tropa na nakilala kahapon, si Direk Paulo ata. I'm not really good with names, but you know, I'm good with faces. Super duper happy ako. As in, I couldn't... Sana mas marami pa yung ganun. At saka nga lang sana din yung Sony activities. Medyo mas madami yung activities. Hindi yung... Okay yun, na may demo, na may sinishare sila ng thoughts. Pero ako kasi ano rin ako, shooter din ako. So siguro, ako gusto ko mahawakan yung unit. Gusto ko ma-test out, you know. Maybe in the future. Hindi natin masabi kasi kung anong mangyari sa future. Kaya we have to, you know, really dive in deep. But right now, I'm really focusing on getting this real estate video done. Itong quick tour video na to kasi, yun nga, I really have to grind this out dahil kasi naubos yung oras ko the other day nung bumisita ako sa ospital. You know, family conflicts and whatnot. I mean, ayun, kasi these past few days, para sa mga loved ones ko sa buhay, have been difficult for them. Especially yun nga, na ospital and whatnot. Sana kayo guys, sa mga nanonood, you take care of yourselves. Maging alagain kayo sa sarili nyo, matulog kayo ng maaga, kumain kayo ng maayos, kumain kayo ng gulay. Alam mo yun? Gulay naman din talaga ang solusyon. Proper diet, exercise pa din naman, pagbubuhat, kahit pagising mo lang, mag-squat ka, mag-push up ka, malaking bagay na yun para sa katawan mo. Alam mo yun? Sa trabaho naman kasi na meron din ako, nagbubuhat ako, pero hindi ako nagda-diet. So, talagang ang nangyari sa atin, nag-bulk. Kaya, ayun, hindi ko mabigyan ng attention yung diet na super duper mag-cut, mag-fasting. Pero, you know, maybe sa mga susunod na araw, mag-fasting na ako ulit. Kasi, kailangan eh. And it's one good way to keep the skin healthy, sa napansin ko. Natatawa ako dito sa GC namin na nabuo namin sa Instagram. Ang tawag is Ulanzi Boys. Kasi nagkaroon kami ng inside joke about that. And I don't know if i-share ko siya. Kasi malamang sa malamang, pag share ko yung joke na yun, baka mapansin tayo ng Ulanzi at di na tayo sponsor ng Ulanzi. Malay nyo lang naman, in the future, maging brand deal natin ang Ulanzi, di ba? So, I'm not really hoping for it, but alam mo, may mga certain specific jokes kami about it na it's not really for everyone, and brand jokes. Hindi naman nawawala yun. It's a joke. So,